audiences in front of the screen. So we are on the official live streaming site. And today, we are glad to have Dr. Florian J.Stradler from Shenzhen University to guide us in the coming guided tour. So Dr. J.Stradler is a distinguished professor from Shenzhen University at the College for Materials Science and Engineering. Nice to meet you, Dr. J.Stradler.
Nice to meet you too.
So this afternoon we're gonna follow you and follow your step to the exhibition hall. So we hope to see a very excellent show today.
Well, we can already see quite well that a lot of the world leading companies paired up with the leading Chinese companies are here. So I'm very excited to have a look at that.
Okay, so we just follow a step then.
Yes, great.
Okay, this way.
Welcome everybody to the second live stream on green materials. So I'm standing here in front of the booth of Mitsubishi Chemical with Dr. Kinoshita from Mitsubishi Chemicals. So very much thanking you for hosting that and for explaining something to for our live stream. So could you tell us something about your activities in the field of green materials and what other interesting things you're doing?
First of all, thank you very much for coming today, Professor. And today, the Mitsubishi Chemical is presenting a lot of the so-called Kaiteki materials. The Kaiteki is well-being of the people, society, and planet of Earth.
Yes.
Then our mission is just realizing the Kaiteki, providing the everybody to be comfortable and sustainable life.
Yes.
And as Professor mentioned, that the green product is also one of our focus materials. So the mainly we are introducing the green material today, and also we are introducing that some of our innovative materials which makes people comfortable.
Yes. So life quality is of course always very good.
Yes. Thank you very much for coming. Then here the mainly focusing on the automotive materials.
Yes.
Then the automotive materials that now requires lots of comfortability.
Yes.
Then regarding bio-based material, we have pretty much unique materials here. That is here, please. We call it DuraBio.
Okay.
DuraBio is one of the plastics, engineering plastics, but the uniqueness is based on the bioplastics. So which is made by starch.
Okay.
Then unlike packaging material, this is not degradable material, so you can use for the automotive industry. Then
So
as you can see,
this is starch.
yes, made from the starch.
Okay.
Then made of the starch. Then as you can see, the color, this is not painting at all. This is from the resin itself. Then we call it piano black. Then
Yes. I can understand why.
yes, very good colors. So lots of the automotive company OEMs that already use these plastic to their parts. This is the interior and also the exteriors.
Yes.
And also these are new applications like putting some patterns on top.
Yes. Well, that looks very much. Doesn't look like it's bio-based at all. I mean, it looks very much like a very well done polycarbonate.
Yes,
part.
that's correct. Actually, we also want to make a new polycarbonate. As you know, the polycarbonate has not a lot, but some of the defects, like scratch hardness or those kind of things. This one doesn't require any hard coat.
Yes.
So when we overcome those kind of the weakness is that we just get to the bio-based material. That
Yes.
is the beginning.
Okay.
So this is one of the bio-based material for the automotive industry, and just another one is for the automotive industry is that I just want to introduce the here.
Okay.
Yes, we call it hashroy. Hashroy. Hashroy is like a ABS or the PC ABS. The uniqueness is that unlike normal material, okay, so these are the two.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. They're very
can you
tough.
just squeeze?
Yes.
Like this way.
Yes. Well, yeah.
I can't do that.
Yeah.
So
Well, I feel I cannot break it,
okay,
even if
so
I wanted to.
just leave it. So this one is saving a lot of rattling noise. When the vehicle got the kind of the rattling noise when used. That is okay. So the
Yeah.
rattling or the squeezing noise.
Yes.
So this one is easier.
Yes.
Like you can hear it.
Yeah.
This is normal one, and this one
Yes. Nothing.
nothing, right?
Yes. For this one, it sounds like you're going up an old creaky stairs.
Yes, yes,
With the
yes.
new one, basically, it sounds like modern stairs, and you're going up on socks.
Exactly. Then another one is not just only for the automotive industry, but kind of the unique material. We call it mosmite. Okay, so these are the films.
Yes.
Okay, so from the professor's view, can you see the three films here?
Yes.
Then
Well, I cannot see the middle one. It's more or less in.
right, that is our mosmite. If you take a look like from the side, you can recognize the film.
Yes.
But from the
Yeah. Well,
center,
it really looks like the film isn't there.
right, then you can see that this one, the half part, put the mosmite film, and the half part is just a
Yes.
conventional film.
Yes. You cannot see it,
Yes,
more or less.
more or less.
Yes.
So this one, on the top of the film, with 200 nanometers
Yes.
of the small dot on
Yes.
top of the film, then lots of the light is just absorbed. So
Yes.
just a straight light that comes back from
Yes.
the film.
Yes.
So you can see these kind of the clear
Yes.
view.
Yes. So, could you show us also those bio PBS
Yes,
coatings?
sure. So these red part is for the general industry.
Yes.
Then here we also providing lots of solutions here. Then one of the solution is our bio PBS.
Yes.
Then as I mentioned before, the bio PBS is not just a bio-based product, but also the biodegradable product.
Yes.
So, which means that when you put these our plastics on the earth, in 30 days, it almost goes as just water and the vapor,
Yes.
without any residue.
Yes.
So when you can see that these are the packaging for the
Yes.
food, then this is for the power tools,
Yes.
and this is a cup and
Yes.
those kind of things. So using this for the food packaging, these are mainly just one use. Then when the people use, it just goes to the just garbage.
Yes.
But if that is, properly throw them away,
Yes.
it's no problem. But many cases that it just goes to the, the town or just goes to the mountains.
Yes, and then you have huge illegal dumpsters there.
Right.
So how long would that last in the ocean?
Ocean, it depends on the temperature.
Yes.
But when we do in some test, it's, how can I say that? The comes to the 30 days to the couple of months.
Yes.
It's the degraded.
Yeah, well, this is much better than the normal plastic, which stays in the ocean waters for decades.
Exactly.
Or actually, we don't know how long it would stay because we don't dump the plastic in there long enough yet.
Then this our bio PBS is the uniqueness is not just only the food packaging, but for the injection molding that we can use it. So these kind of product used to be the not fit for the biodegradable plastics.
Yes.
But as you can see, some of the users already made it in commercial.
Yes.
So which means that when we consider the Earth, then we think of the lifelongs of the plastics. This is one of the solutions that we can also use the biodegradable plastic for this kind of hard
Yes.
tool.
Of course.
So not just only the
Packaging?
films, but also the injection molding, then the other molding tools that we can use it. So just easily replacing from the polyethylene.
Yes. Well, which is of course very good. Polyethylene is the biggest plastic on the market, about
Exactly.
30%
Exactly.
world market share. And if you can take some of that away, then we have much less waste in the environment. So, yeah.
So this is one of our bio-based product, and here we just showing that just a few of our solutions.
Yes.
So that if you have more time, please just
Yes.
come to our site. Then I will
Yes.
introduce whatever you want.
Yes.
Then I
Yes.
show you the
Well,
various solutions.
I'm sure you have a lot of interesting solutions. So I would like to thank you very much for your personal guided tour. I'm sure it was not only interesting for myself, but also for all the listeners and viewers online. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, welcome to the next booth. We are standing here at the company Stora Enso, represented by Joanna.
Hello, everyone.
So, can I give you my card?
Thank you. Yeah,
So-
nice to see you.
You're making a lot of things of products from renewable sources. Could you explain us a little bit about that?
Yes. Actually, the product I show here is the DuraSense.
Yes.
DuraSense is it's a renewable and recyclable, and also it's a very fossil-free product.
Yes.
And it contains the fiber, wood fiber, and also some polymers together. Yeah, and then we can use this biocomposites into different variety applications.
Yes.
Yeah, and this wood fiber normally we use the spruce. And in some cases, we might use some other kinds of the foam fiber,
Yes.
wood fibers, but we can make sure that the wood fiber is renewable and from the sustainably managed forest in Nordic. Yeah, and for this, it's the polymers. Basically, we use the PP. Mainly, we use the PP
Yes.
polymer, but when we can, if we can, we will use some old or some renewable, recyclable polymers.
So,
Yeah.
can you also use, for example, some starch-based or polylactide-based polymers?
Sorry.
Some starch or polylactide-based polymers.
Yeah. Currently, we use just the PP. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
And in case we need, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
these are some
this is
products?
Yeah, it's in the kitchen for the
Yes.
cutlery. Yeah.
Well, it really,
Yes.
you really feel it's quite hard,
It is. It
and
is.
it has a very nice pattern on it.
Wow. Thank you so much. I totally agree with you.
Yes.
The service is very good, and also the stiffness, the
Yes.
length is very good. Yeah. The strength lies within our
Yes.
ability. Yeah.
Okay,
To
so
enhance.
so what kind of wood fibers are you using? So is that wood fibers from cutting the wood from the cellulose making process, or where do you source that wood from?
The wood fiber is harvested and sourced from the sustainably managed forest
Yes.
in Nordic. Yeah, most of them is the spruce. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So it is basically a way to add some renewable functionality to some conventional plastic and make it look much nicer
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yes, it is, and it can be used directly into some injection moldings or even 3D printings directly.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Just like of these
Yes.
materials.
So how do these wood fibers change the processing behavior?
Change the.
Processing behavior. So do you need to adjust your processing parameters, or does it simply work like normal plastic?
Actually, it's very easy to use on existing process, which
Okay.
we call the rejection molding. Yeah, which is very popular
Yes.
in the
Okay.
industry now. Yeah.
Yes, well, very interesting. We hope to see a lot more such products where we can simply use some renewable materials made,
Yeah.
used for some very nice.
Yes,
Parts.
Store also believe that everything that is made from the fossil-based materials today can be made from a tree tomorrow.
Yes.
So that's what we believe and what
Yeah.
we are doing. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Very interesting and very inspiring.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
So, welcome to the next step, the next station in our exhibition. We are here at the booth of Biologic, and I'm talking to Mr. Terry Chan, who will introduce to us what kind of exciting products they have to offer.
Yes, actually, I would like to introduce our core products. We call it New Plastic. New Plastic is 100% plant-based materials.
Yes.
So with New Plastic, we can blend with other materials like PBAT or PLA to make a biodegradable products. You can make bags or mulch films or other packaging materials, which is supposed to be biodegradable 100% in 45 days. So we also use new plastic for blended with other olefin resins to make durable products or packaging to increase the bio content of
Yes.
the products. So that you can, save the carbon dioxide and prevent the warm gas. So can we take a look at
Yes.
this?
Yeah, these boxes look just like very normal boxes, but they're biodegradable.
Yes, this
That's really
one.
nice.
This one is actually the corrugated box made with PP, and then blended with our materials, so that this one is almost like 20% bio-based. This one. So we also make woven, nylon woven bags for
Yes.
cements. Okay, this is for the Indian market. And so this one actually, this is the bags I'm talking about. So this is for like carrying bags and also can be used for mulch films. This is like 30 to 50% new plastic
Yes.
plus 70 to 50% PBAT. So can we also take a look over here?
Yes.
So before we are using our new plastic with LDPE to make bags. This one is selling in Taiwan and in Japan from our customers.
Yes.
I'm sorry I can't disclose too many because we have signed the NDA. Sorry
Yes.
for that. And this is the garbage bags. Sorry. So this is the garbage bags.
Yeah, feels very nice.
Yeah.
Feels very good.
Also, we can do blow molding products. This one is our new plastic branded with high DMPE. This one. Also, like sunglasses. So you want to try?
Cool.
So this one is PP with our new plastic as well. So our core product, new plastic, can be branded with a lot of materials. But this is bio-content and biodegradable.
Yes.
So this little box is for putting some like the hook, the fishing hook
Yes.
inside it. Because nowadays people, when they done the fishing, they just put into the like a river or something, and then then the product will be there for like millions of years. But this one adding a certain percent of our new plastic, and then it biodegrade 100% in 340 days.
Yes.
You know. This one is 100% biodegrade.
Yes.
We did the test.
Yes.
Yeah.
And one other thing that is important to notice is this is a very thin
Yes.
film,
Yeah.
and many biodegradable plastics have problems about that. So the fact that you can open
Yeah.
and close
Yes.
that many times means
Yeah.
you have solved this problem.
Yeah. Actually, this one is very similar to this.
Yes.
No, this
Yes.
XL, they put the little toys inside. And this one, the thickness actually is like a 0.4 millimeter. It's very thin. This
Yes.
one is also. So this one is like a lunch tray.
Yes.
It's made of thermoforming.
Yes.
This one is new plastic plus PP. And also the cups, it's the PP cups.
Yes.
Okay. So we did, from the new plastic and then branded with all these materials and then become, usable products and also
Yes.
biodegradable. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we wish you will have a good future to do your share of saving our planet.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I try to be planet friendly.
Yes.
Thank you.
So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you for Dr. Stradler's introduction and also guided tour. And for more guided tours led by our professor, you should always visit our live streaming platform. Please stay tuned.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.